Lululemon was founded in 1998 by Chip Wilson. The rationale behind this new brand was that he had always worked out in cotton clothes, and this basically made him very sweaty and gave him a horrible workout experience. So he went to the drawing board and he considered how to create a new company and bring a very positive workout experience to not only himself, his friends, but his customers. His vision was based on creating high quality fabrics. This initial point would allow for would be more conducive and allow for the best workout ever. He also went to his philosophy. His philosophy was fabricating new functional garments, new working garments that would basically unlock the performance potential of every person who used this product. Now, not only are these clothes and this workout gear, not only are they used for this market segment, but there are many accessories which are very stylish and trendy, so that broadens the market segmentation. The typical customers for Lululemon are yoga enthusiasts. That's how the firm began. Athletes, either for football, baseball, and the market has definitely expanded into a more general personal fitness. People can go to the gym and use any of these clothes, any of these hoodies, and they're really fantastic and they really bring a really great workout. Now for the marketing strategy of this particular company. The comparative advantage which Lululemon definitely has is based on the 4 building blocks: quality, efficiency, customer responsiveness, and innovation. To get the first point, the company focuses on getting the product right. That's the main point. Efficiency. The firm uses a low-cost producer in Southeast Asia, in Southeast Asia, which allows for low investment of financial capital and producing the items more cheaply. Then on the point of innovation, the company definitely offers new and seasonal items every several weeks. So there's always a fresh line of clothing that it's out there, and this ties in with making it very stylish and trendy for the whole market segment and the industry. Then on the point of customer responsiveness, Lululemon is customer oriented, and it furthers this by instructing its employees in every store to eavesdrop on guests. Now the point of doing this is to really get what they like, what they don't like, get what they want out of a new product, and to gauge and assess what to do on the marketing side, how to make the product better, because Lululemon is always about getting the product right. Now, outside of these 4 points, Lululemon definitely leverages these building blocks. It definitely focuses on the future and thinking of the new and better product. The innovation that it brings to the industry is considerable, and it's market driving. Now, going away from the strategy and of the success of Lululemon, there have been some missteps and errors along the way. There was a yoga pants line which, when stretched to a certain point, would be see-through. Now, one thing to consider is that getting the product right was done incorrectly in this case. There should have been controls in place, there should have been processes in place to prevent this. However, one way to ameliorate this is to go back to the marketing, to go back to what the customers want. This is definitely an obstacle, however, it can be overcome. Now, on the ethics and social responsibility side, 2 essential points are shareholder and stakeholder theory. Shareholder theory is basically concentrated on financial interests and given extreme value to stockholders. It's all about money. And in this circumstance, for shareholder theory, the corporate social responsibility is to make sure that the stockholders are happy, to make sure that they are content, that they have what they want. Now, on shareholder theory, that basically states everything other than monetary gain. There are other things to consider. There's the environment, there's sustainability, there's focusing on employees. Now, the corporate social responsibility of this circumstance is that money should not be the central point. Now, what does this mean for Lululemon? Lululemon has to do the right thing. This is essential. Now, one of the ethics and social responsibility implications that can be researched from Lululemon is the low-cost producer in Southeast Asia. The reason that there is low cost is because the working conditions that those employees have to undergo and the low salary that they are paid. In the year 2017, this is unacceptable. Lululemon's philosophy is definitely on creating a better lifestyle, better workout. This has to go to what it does. It cannot focus on monetary gain. It cannot just concentrate on the bottom line. Now, one other essential point to analyze what Lululemon is currently doing in the clothing industry is to consider what potential recommendations can be made to make the company better, what information can be given to the CEO and to the board of directors to bring this company back to the success that it was enjoying before. One essential recommendation would be on the marketing side. With the debacle of the yoga pants, how could this have been prevented? One way to ameliorate this point is to create a small marketing test group. And what would this entail? The marketing team would implement this strategy by gathering a group of about 50 people, and every product line that it creates, it would test it on this group. It would inform them that they are part of this test. They would receive some benefit, some free samples for participating in the test, and the feedback that they get from this control group would definitely be used for creating a better product. If this had been done, that marketing mistake, that product mistake would have been caught in time. This control would definitely have assisted the company. So the CEO should definitely know that by using this marketing strategy, the company can definitely be more prudent and cautious about what products it lets out. Then on the ethics and social responsibility side, shareholder value and theory is essential. That has to be considered, because if the company does not do well financially, it will go bankrupt. It will not perform well. It will not deliver to its customers. However, stakeholder theory definitely has to be reinforced. There are other things that are evident than monetary gain. So one important thing, one important essential recommendation for the CEO is to capitalize on the positive points and to cultivate the value that Lululemon has. It's very strong in the clothing sector, and one thing that it can do is to use brand loyalty, use the customers that have given it success, and if it does this, it'll have a big win.